I've just signed up with AutoBuildIt using this domain name, iteachim.com. And what AutoBuildIt has done is it's immediately created this site for me. And this is the exact similar kind of template that you will see the moment you sign up with AutoBuildIt. Now, you might be forgiven for thinking, wow, okay, that's a really cool squeeze page, because this is exactly what you will see the moment you sign up with AutoBuildIt. And in fact, you couldn't be further from the truth, because this isn't actually a squeeze page. This is the default template and just one of many templates to create a full-blown authority content site. Yes, with AutoBuildIt you can create squeeze pages, you can create sales pages, video squeeze pages, and a lot of other really, really cool things. But the page that you initially see, this isn't a squeeze page. This is the starting template for a full-blown authority content site. So what we're going to do in this video is look at how we can build on this page, and in other videos that you'll see on this site, we'll cover all of the other cool things like creating sales pages, squeeze pages, video sales pages, video squeeze pages, adding modal entry pops, exit pops, the whole lot. We'll cover it all. So for now, let's just concentrate on how you can use AutoBuildIt to create a full authority content site. So let's start with this home page. So first and foremost, let's go and select the theme that we want to use. So if we go to General Settings, now the default theme is this one. I could change it to this one, click Save, view the page, and now look, it's instantly changed the theme. But I don't want to use this theme. I want to use this theme with the form on the right-hand side, and I want it in dark blue. So let me save that, and let's click View, and here we are. Now it's changed around, and the video is on the left-hand side in this theme, and we've got the opt-in form over here. So let's go back. Now the next thing that we're going to do is the header information. Now I can either upload a logo or I can change the text here. So let's just change this to I teach IM for internet marketing. Okay, and we'll save that. Let's view the page. And now there it is instantly. It says I teach IM. Okay, so far so good. Next, let's move down. I want to add a favicon. So let me browse, and this is a favicon that I've created for this. It just says IM. Let's just save that. Now if we take a look, you've got the IM there, you've got the IM there. I created this very quickly just to show you how it works, but now you can see that's immediately uploaded. So now let's make some other changes. We want to change this text over here. By default it says free guide, lorem sum, emailed instantly, blah, blah, blah. We want to get rid of that. So let's go back to the dashboard, and now let's go back to our home page settings. And over here you can see that text, and this is where I change it in the header text area of my home page settings. So let's change this to claim your free internet marketing guide. And let's change this to enter your name and email address below. And claim this free report, $97 value. Let's save that. Click View. And now, as you can see, it says claim your free internet marketing guide, enter your name and email address below, and claim this free report, $97 value. So far, so good. Now we've got this site name at the bottom here, and it says 2011 sitename.com, all rights reserved. We want to change that as well, so let's very quickly change that. And if we go back into General Settings and scroll down to Copyright Text Footer HTML, so we can change that. So let's change that to 2011 www.iteachim.com and save that and view. And now at the bottom it says iteachim.com, all rights reserved. Good. So now we can start creating things. Now we've got a video over here, but there's nothing here for it to play. So let's add a video to our page. So if we go back to the dashboard, now we're going to go back to the homepage settings. And let's just add a video link here. Now this is from my CloudFront, Amazon CloudFront account where this video is hosted. Let me save that. Let's go back and view our page. And there's the video. So the video is now playing on the page. So great, we've got a video on the page as well now. So what if we don't have a video? Well, if we don't have a video, what we can quite simply do is change that into a slideshow, because not everybody has a video that they can instantly put up there. So if I don't have a video there, what I'm going to do, instead of this from show video on homepage, I'm going to move this down to show slideshow on homepage instead. And I'm going to add some images here instead. So what we're going to do, let's add some images. And we'll add slideshow 1. And wow, I didn't know internet marketing was so cool. And where it says name, this is for our own reference. Put image 1, click add. So you saw how quick that was to add images. Let me add a few more and I'll join you back in just a couple of seconds. Hi, welcome back. Okay, so here we go. We've added 4 different images. Now, none of these images are active, so let me make these active. So now we've got 4 images added to our slideshow. We make sure that this button is checked here. Let's click View. And now our slideshow is there, so you can see this. Why didn't I buy AutoBuildIt? Wow, I didn't know internet marketing was so cool. Creating a cool website has never been so easy. This is so very cool. I love how you can change things into a slideshow. So we can create a slideshow, and that's been created absolutely instantly. You've seen how quick that is to do. But we've just started. So we've got our Claim Your Free Internet Marketing Guide. Let's start creating the page. Manage meta information on homepage. Now, the title at the moment says site name. Let's change this to Internet Marketing Made Easy. And what that does, if we save that, now at the top of our page in the browser, it shows Internet Marketing Made Easy. So we've got our favicon there, we've got our video, we've got everything, and now we've got that there. So let's go back, and we could add keywords and descriptions for the search engines here. Then, do we want this page visible by the search engines? Well, it's not ready yet. I don't quite want it indexed by the search engines yet. So I've got it. I don't want this page indexed. And then in the footer HTML, we can add tracking scripts and do a lot of other cool features. We'll come back to that later. Right now, let's start creating this website page, and let's start adding content to the body area. So to do that, all we do is click here to add a new module to the page. Let's add a headline. We'll select a component, we'll select headline, and where do we want it? We want it at the end of the page, which is the end of the page so far. So let's click Add, click Add New, select a tag. We want this as a big headline, and we'll put Internet Marketing has never been so simple. There's our headline. And let's change the font. We want that as Impact. So we save that. And of course, we go back and we make it active. Now that's active, let's view the page. And we've got our first headline. Internet marketing has never been so simple. Next, let's add some text. So we click Add New Module. We'll call this module Intro Text. Put simple text there. Where do we want it? At the end of the page. And the module's been added. Now let's click Add New. And let's just add some text here. We'll call this text. And let's change this to size 3 and Arial text. And let's change the color of this to, I quite like dim grey. Let's change it to dim grey. Make that active. And here we go, we've got our text added there immediately. Now, maybe we want to add some pictures. So let's add a few pictures to the page. And we'll add some featured images here. So let's put pics, click add new, let's put pic 1, and we'll add this image here, and we add the same image over here. So it's a smaller image and a larger image. For the purpose of this, I'm just adding the same image. And let's put this image shows how internet marketing works. Click add. And you saw how quick that was to do. I'll add another image. So now we have both of our images here. Let's make these images active. And click view. And here we have them. This image shows social media marketing. This image shows how internet marketing works. And if we click the images, look at what happens. They just nicely pop up, making your page extremely interactive, very quickly, very easily. Look at that. So now what we want to do next is maybe add something else. So now let's add some testimonials to the page. So let's click add new module, and let's call this module testimonial. Now, if we want to add a testimonial box, we can do that very easily. Let's click add. And we'll click add new, and let's put a title here. Wow, I love how this works. And browse for a picture. Let's find a picture here, add the picture there. Wow, I love this particularly fake testimonial to see how these testimonials work and how quickly they can be added. Even though this is a fake testimonial, this is really cool how quickly and easily they can be added to a page. And author name, Andy Pandy, fake testimonial. Let's add that. And we'll make that active. And let's just confirm that I have selected one with an image. So these are testimonial boxes without images. These are with images. Let's select one with an image and save that. And view the testimonial. And there we go. The testimonial is on the page. It's been created. But we don't want that testimonial. That's not the kind of testimonial that we want. It's not the kind of testimonial I want on this page. So what we're going to do, let's remove this completely. So we've removed that. And in fact, let's add a headline first. We'll call this headline 2. Select a component, headline. We want it at the end of the page. Let's add that. Let's add another headline component there. So let's add the headline. We're going to go for a subheadline this time and check out these awesome testimonials. And we'll make that impact again and click add. Let's make that active. And now let's add the kind of testimonials that we want to add to this page. And let's add rotating testimonials. And we'll select component, select rotating testimonials, click add. And now let's add a rotating testimonial. So the title, people are going to love this. And we'll put wow, even though this is a dummy testimonial and not real at all, I'm sure people are going to love the way these testimonials work. And author name, mark my words. And let's add an image. And let's click Add. So you've seen how quick and simple that was to add. What I'm going to do is add another couple of testimonials here, and I'll see you back in just a second. Okay, so I've added 3 different testimonials. Let's just make these active, and let's view the page. There's our headline, and here are the testimonials, and you'll see that these testimonials aren't just normal testimonials, they're just very nicely, very smoothly rotating. Very powerful, very simple, and you saw how quick and easy that was to do. So to add these kind of rotating testimonials is now very, very simple for anyone to do. And ask yourself this question, can you do that at the moment? If you can't, then AutoBuildIt is definitely for you if you want to be able to add these kind of features, adding these kind of testimonials, adding this kind of interactivity to your page. Very quick, very simple, very powerful. Yes, of course, with AutoBuildIt, you can still add those old, boring, in a box kind of testimonials. But with this, it gives you the power to add a very different type of testimonial that you'll only see on top marketing websites. So you can do this very quickly, very simply and effortlessly, not having to learn any kind of coding. It's just very simple. It's there. So now that we've added these testimonials, let's add something else really awesome to the page. And as you can see, our page is really coming along now. We've got our slideshow there at the top, which we can change if we want to. We could change this slideshow into a video. We've been able to add these images like this. And we've added the testimonial. What else can we add using AutoBuildIt? Well, the answer is a heck of a lot. Let's add something else to the page. So let's make this page a little bit meatier. Let's add some more text to the page. Click Add. Let's click Add. Second text. Let's click Add. Let's make that active. Let's add another module, and let's add show hide videos. Put show hide vids. Let's click add new. We'll call this amazing video. We'll add a video URL here. Let's add an image here. Again, it would be any image that you want to upload. Let's add a description. Watch this amazing video which reveals the secrets to life, death, the universe, and everything. And no, the answer is not 42. Font size 3, and let's make the font Arial. And at the bottom here, you can see it says show or hide. We'll come to that in a moment. So we've got our first video added there with the show hide videos component. I'm going to show you how this works, and I'll add a few more. Okay, welcome back. So you saw me add one of these show hide video features, and I've added 5 more. And over here, you can see 4 of these I've put as hide, 2 of them I've put as show. And if you remember, if we look at this and edit it, at the bottom here, it gives us a show hide option. So 2 of them I've put as show, 4 of them I've put as hide. I'll show you what that does in a moment. Now, as I'm creating this page, one of the things that I realize is that over here, I should have had a headline. But I've already put this feature here. So let's go and add a headline here. And we're going to add a headline and add the headline component. But this time, we're not going to put it at the end of the page. We're going to put it before a particular module. So we want to put this headline after this text module, but we want to put it before this show hide vids module that we've already got created on the page. So this is where we want this headline to appear. So if I click add, and now you'll see the headline module has come here. So what we want to do is click add new, select a tag, and we'll select headline 2, and over here we'll put check out these awesome videos. Let's click add. And let's make that impact and save that. So if we view the page now, you can see I've changed some of this text here, like I said, and here's some more text that we added. Here's the headline that we added. And over here, if you remember, we had 2 videos that were showing, and over here it says click here to view more videos. If I click this, then you'll see how this just nicely opens up, revealing some more videos here. So we've got click here to view more videos or click here to hide more videos, and that just nicely opens up and drops down. Look at that. And here's the best part. If I click one of these links, it opens up to the video. And there's the video playing. Obviously, I've put the same video link on all of these. But the video opens up. So it's a very unique, very different way of actually including and incorporating videos on your site. So again, just another quick question. Do you know anything else on the marketplace apart from AutoBuildIt that lets you do this and lets you do it this quickly, this easily on any page that you create, apart from using an expensive programmer? I don't. If you do, please let me know. So this is another really, really cool feature that you can add to your sites that nobody else in the world is able to do this quickly, this easily, without the power of AutoBuildIt. So let's add another headline, and we'll call this FAQ headline. And let's select a component, and we'll select headlines. And we want it at the end of the page, so let's click Add. And let's add the headline, select a tag, let's select headline 2. Your key questions answered. And let's make that impact again. And click Add. Okay, that's added. And of course, we make that active. And now let's add another module, and let's add FAQ module. We'll call it FAQ module. And from here, let's select the FAQ and let's click Add. And now we'll add new, and we'll add an FAQ. So let's type a question in here. What kind of super platform lets me create websites like this? And let's paste our answer here. AutoBuildIt, of course. If you want to create awesome websites with tons of features, then you definitely need to buy it. And let's change the color of that to, we'll turn that into a dark red. So, and we'll make the font Arial, and we'll make the point size 3. And let's click Add. So you saw how quick and easy that was to add an FAQ. I'll add a few more, and I'll see you back here in just a few seconds. Hi, welcome back. So I've added 3 more FAQs to the one that we'd already added and made them active. So let's take a look at them on the page. So here we've got our headline, and here are the FAQs. And look at how nicely these just open up and drop down like this. So what kind of super platform lets me create websites like this? The answer, AutoBuildIt, of course. If you want to create awesome websites with tons of features, then you definitely need to buy it. What is the fastest way on this planet to create professional looking video sales pages? Using AutoBuildIt, of course. AutoBuildIt allows you to create professional looking video sales pages faster than anything else that we know of. Not only are they quick to create, but they're awesome in look and feel. And you can put timed payment buttons on them too. Is this page that you're creating what you mean by a video sales page? No, of course this can double up as a video sales page, but what we're talking about is controlled through another area of AutoBuildIt, dedicated to creating professional video sales pages fast. This section that we're working on is the homepage of a full-blown authority content site designed to get high rankings in the search engines. Where can I find out about other features of AutoBuildIt? Right here on this website. We'll have videos showing all the cool features so that for once, people can make a truly informed decision and see what they buy rather than just rely on fancy sales speak. We can do that because, as you can see, AutoBuildIt really is that awesome. So again, the key thing here is interactivity. And these just very smoothly, very professionally open up and look at how quick and easy those were to add on the page. No programming required, no designer required, nothing required. You never have to worry about complicated code or adding code to your website pages in order to build this kind of a professional site. And of course, the other features are working just as they should be. And now the page has really taken shape. Now let's just put some finishing touches on this page very quickly. So firstly, what we're going to do on this page very quickly is we're going to enable comments on the page. So all we do is just very quickly and simply just click this button, enable comments on homepage, and we put an email address here. So let's put admin@iteachim.com and click save. And that's where I'd get notifications about comments coming through. Now, I click view, and look at that. Immediately, the comment section has been added. Just by one click of a button, we've got the comment section added. And let's leave a comment here. Wow, adding comments to pages is super fast and easy with AutoBuildIt. I love it. Now, don't you absolutely hate those capture forms, which you can't read what the text actually says? And if you get it wrong, it wipes out this entire form and everything that you've typed in. There's nothing more annoying and frustrating for your visitors. Well, with sites that you create with AutoBuildIt, all they need to do is slide that across like this. Now the form is unlocked and it can be submitted. So I submit that form. Now that redirected to a blank page because I hadn't set up a thank you page for the comments once they've been submitted. But now if I go back into the admin panel, and I've purposely left a little gap in the video so that you can see, and it says posted 3 minutes and 32 seconds ago, and there's my comment. But look at the style it's posted. It doesn't tell me the date. It tells me exactly in a very Web 2.0 style, the way Facebook and Twitter do. So it doesn't say posted on blah, blah, blah and give me a static date. It tells me to the minute when that comment was posted. And if I make this comment active, go back to the dashboard, go back to homepage settings. In fact, let's view the page. And you'll see the comment now shows here, and it's posted 4 minutes and 31 seconds ago. And obviously, if I reload the page, and if I reload the page, 4 minutes and 46 seconds ago, and if I reload it again, 4 minutes and 51 seconds ago. So you can see how that updates in real time. But that's how quick and simple and easy it is to add comments to any page that you create. Now, let's add one final module here, and let's add horizontal links. And we're actually going to set these right at the top of the page. Before the main headline module. So here we have them. And let's click Add New. And we'll call this Pictures. And we'll set it as an anchor link. And it says type a link name. So let's quite simply call this Pictures. And we'll put click here to see some cool pics. And this is a position that we're going to set. We'll set this as link number 1. Let's add that. Now, because I've set that as an anchor link, I need to set up an anchor with that. So let me set anchor link. I'll call this anchor pics, and I want to set this before the pics module. So I'll add that there. And I'll click add, and it asks me the anchor list for this page, and I'll click on pictures. That's the one that we want here. Now I'm going to add a few more anchor links, and I'll meet you back here in just a moment. Okay, so I've set up a number of horizontal links, testimonials, comments, FAQ, videos, and pictures. And together with those, you can see there's anchor pics, anchor testimonials, anchor videos, anchor FAQ, and anchor comments links that I've also added there. Now, to show you what this actually does, let's go onto the home page. And here we are, and as you can see over here at the top, we've got pictures, and as I mouse over these, you can see it says click here to see some cool pics, watch these cool videos, your questions answered, testimonials and what people are saying, and go ahead and share your thoughts. Now, these links have been designed so that when I click pictures, it comes down to this pictures area. When I click videos, it comes down to this videos area here. When I click FAQ, it comes down to the FAQs here. When I click testimonials, it comes down to the testimonials. And when I click comments, it brings it straight down to the comments. So to add links like this, again, making your page interactive, letting people find what they need when they need it, is very, very quick, very, very simple. And you can add these absolutely anywhere, as you just saw. I just decided to put them at the top here, which is where I thought they'd be well placed. Now, don't confuse that with links that go up here. When we start creating our full authority content site, you have a full menu that you can put up here. And dependent on which theme you're actually using, you can put links in a number of different places, including side menus that go over here. Additionally, we can create footer links over here. So let's just create very quickly a couple of additional pages. So now we go back into our dashboard and we'll go into static pages, and I'll click add page. Now I can choose either a 2-column page or a full width template. Now let's create a contact us page here. We'll call the page contact us. Now when we're creating the page, all we do is just type in contact us, and this will create the URL for us. So that's all we need to do. Search engine visibility, we'll switch that off. Meta information, we'll just type in contact us, and let's just add that. So that's added the page. Let's make this page active. And over here you can see it says set on top menu. Let's do that. We're going to set this on the top menu. Now that's been set on the top menu. And if we view the page, you can see it's got I Teach IM, and it's got the home link, and it's got the contact us link. So that link has now been added to the top menu. So what we're going to do is very quickly create this contact us page, and this is how simple it would be to create. So the first thing we're going to do is click here to add a new module. Let's add a headline. And we'll add that. And we'll just call that contact us. Again, let's make that impact, and let's click add. And then we're adding another module, and we'll put contact us form and select feature contact us. So there's actually a component called contact us. We'll select that, click add, and that's been added. Now let's add the component. And now this is a to email address. Do admin@iteachim.com. And this is where messages will be sent to us. A redirect URL. This is if we were creating another thank you page, we would create a redirect URL here. So once they've submitted the form, they would go to that particular page. For now, let's just put that there. And submit text. This is what we want the button on the contact us form to say. So let's put please get in touch. And let's add that. Let's make that active. Let's make that active. And if we view the page now, you'll see there it is, contact us. It's got the name, email, message, and it's got the form which can then be submitted. And at the bottom here, it says, please get in touch, as we'd created it in that form. And the key thing is over here, it's got the contact us and the home page link. If we click the home page link, that takes us to the home page. If we click contact us, it takes us straight to the contact us page. So that's how quick and simple that is to actually set up. So this is how you create your additional pages very quickly, very easily. And the modules pretty much help you create them very, very quickly, very easily. So now let's add another page, and let's go back to static pages. And let's say that we're adding a page for training. So let's call this training, and we'll call the page training videos. And this is the order that we want it on the menu. So let's put order number 1 for that. And let's just edit this, and we'll put this menu position order number 2. And that's order number 1. So now the training videos will come before the contact us on the menu. Let's make that active. Let's edit the content on here. And we don't want a header tag showing on there, so let's click to add new module. And what we're going to add here is videos with tabs. Training vids. And if I click add new, so tab name, let's say we want this squeeze page training video. Then over here we would put the video URL. And let's add another tab. Let's call this email marketing training video. Click add. And we'll very quickly add one more, and we'll make this viral marketing, and make this viral marketing training video. And we'll add the same video URL. Obviously, these would be different video URLs that you'd be adding dependent on the videos that you actually wanted to play. So those have been added to the page. Now, if we view the page, you can see we've got a tab saying squeeze pages, email marketing, and viral marketing. And you can see how that just very nicely flicks through all three of them. So we've got the squeeze page training video. Obviously, I've put the same video in each of these. Email marketing training video and the viral marketing training video. And you've seen how quick and simple that has been to set up. Now, the only thing that's left for us to do is click set on top menu. And now, if we view the URL, we've got home, training, contact us. And of course, if we go to the home page again, we've got the pictures, videos, we've got this over here, which are internal links just for this page, taking the visitor to the various different sections that you want to draw their attention to. And at the top, they've got the site navigation links as well to go to the other pages. So you can see in half an hour, you can do what would take programmers absolutely hours of work in order to start programming this kind of stuff for you, and would cost you a heck of a lot of money to get somebody to custom program something like this for you. And the best part, if you want to change the look and feel of your website at any time, you can do that absolutely instantly. So if we go in here and we want to change this to the brown theme, we click Save, View, and now the website, look, the look and feel has changed. It's changed into the brown theme, and even our additional pages, the training page, the Contact Us page, have all changed with that look and feel. So in this video alone, we've looked just very briefly only at these three components here. We've not even touched on any of these other components yet, but hopefully that should start giving you a real feel for how powerful AutoBuildIt is.